the recent tests of the BT in the Jungheinrich, we already indicated that there is a trend for compact electrically powered pallet trucks as a serious alternative to the hand pallet truck. The Chinese manufacturer EP Equipment contributes to the party and brings the even more compact and lighter truck to the market with the EPT12EZ. Could this truck handle our test? Well, it's very clear that we were worried for nothing because the performance of the 12EZ are way above expectation. The acceleration, driving, lifting, you don't believe it if you don't try it yourself. This time we had the opportunity to try the 12EZ during a real application. In the Groningen city we joined the delivery tour to see how the truck holds on the tailgate, on streets, cobblestones and sideways. It is clear that the small truck also well succeeds in achieving these tasks. The strength is in the combination of the very compact size, the open character around the drive wheel and the low self-weight. The short tail lift of the distribution truck usually doesn't accommodate a conventional electric truck, but for the 12EZ there is enough space. It uses as little space as the hand pallet truck with which the distribution driver usually does his job. Minus points we notice are the somewhat wavy driving character at half speed. EP promises improvement, and this also applies to our criticism of the lack of a nose wheel in the fork tip and a marker for safe insertion depth to take up Euro pallets crosswise. Special for the EP Equipment machine is the all-in-one compact unit for which patented applications have been dialed. Another feature is the possibility to replace only the Vulcanen rim of the drive wheel, while the hub and engine remain in place. Similar eye-catcher is the compact lithium-ion battery, which is slotted as a handy package with a handle in the truck. The battery weighs only 3.7 kg, can be charged in 2.5 hours and may also be opportunity charged in a docking station that is connected to a standard power outlet. Our energy consumption measurement indicates that a full battery provides a practical service life of 3.5 hours or 234 pallets in our standard test. Our conclusion is very clear. The EP Equipment 12EZ has more in store than you see and think at first sight. He is stable and powerful enough for loads up to 1200 kg, works smoothly and quietly, and is extra friendly due to the handy and fully maintenance-free lithium-ion battery. The newcomer offers a lot of potential in applications like warehouses, distribution and retail. The cost, according as EP Equipment, will vary by dealer but remains below €2,000 including battery and charger.